Elda Health as an entity, is super passionate about women's wellness. We believe in a positive sense of self, and we believe that life is more beautiful when you have a very positive and cheerful approach towards wellness in general. A little bit about Kriti, which we've already shared. She's a yoga teacher and a mindfulness practitioner. She's also a Yoga Alliance International Certified Professional and founder of Mindful Vibing. I think we've had the team Elda has had a chance to interact with Kriti in the past, and that hour that we spoke to you, Kriti, was really liberating for us. The way you put it and just the interaction, I think, was very very nice. I'm sure that the team here, the group of us will also benefit from you. So I would like to hand over, the conversation to you. If you can just briefly introduce yourself and tell the team what you're going to do in the next 45 minutes, I think that'll be really helpful. Please go ahead.
Thank you, Swati. Thank you so much for the introduction. It was really lovely. And just to let you know also that you have been an inspiration for me also, because this is such a nice and beautiful things that you guys are doing. My journey so far, as Swati has shared already, it has been more about mindfulness practitioner and a yoga teacher for the last 4 to 5 years for now. I got my international yoga degree in 2018, and since then I've been practicing yoga and mindfulness. So I'm really, really grateful for all of you to give me this beautiful chance to interact with all the lovely people out here and share my bit of knowledge and just my experiences with you, so you can also benefit with it and get a better sense of life as I am experiencing with mindfulness. So just that was a little bit brief overview that I wanted to share with you. So as I mentioned earlier, that when you are inhaling, just think about all the positive energy that is around you. Think about all the positive things that can happen to your life, every positive energy that is around you. If your feet, just make sure that your feet are on the ground. So pranayam, I'll just introduce what pranayam is a little bit. Pranayam is a breath work. It is an exercise that is done as a part of yoga. It is one of the part of yoga methods that we do in kind of a yoga session. There is pranayam, there are asanas, and then there are other cleansing activities. So for starting, like if we are going for a very strict, the way the yoga is done, not these days when we are just starting with the pranayams. Initially, what happens if you are going through a teacher training, or if you want to carry on in this path, then you have to cleanse your entire body and then start with these kind of processes. And I am specifically talking about hatha yoga, because in Patanjali yoga there are different kind of yogas, and in Patanjali yoga the ways of moving ahead to perform yoga are different. And in case of hatha yoga, what we do is we start with cleansing our body. So there are 6 purification techniques that we do when we want to cleanse our body. Excuse me. But today we'll be directly starting with the pranayam. So pranayam is basically a breath work where it is a grounding exercise where you are actually trying to get yourself back, your energy back, and then you're just going to make yourself in a neutral mode. So it will just bring you to a neutral mode where you will be able to start working on yourself and then go ahead with the asanas and everything else that you want to do. So right now we will be just focusing on Anulom Vilom Pranayam. You guys must would have heard about it. I'll be explaining it further as well. And after that, we'll be doing Brahmari Pranayam, which is another kind of pranayam that I'll be talking about today. So make sure that you're cross-legged either on your yoga mats or you're sitting on a chair with your feet on the ground. And then start with inhaling. And when you inhale, all the positive energies you are thinking about. When you're exhaling, you're thinking that all of the stress that is inside your body, all of the energy blocks that are inside your body are going out with that exhale. So let us start. First, inhale all the positive energies. Now exhale. As you exhale, all of your stress is going out. Now hold for a minute. Inhale. Take a deep breath in. All the positive energies around you are going inside you. Now exhale. As you exhale, all of your stress is going out. All of the energy blocks are getting removed. Again, inhale. Now exhale. Inhale. Take a deep breath in. Feel your lungs are filled with all the air, all the oxygen. You're filled with positive energy. Now exhale. All of your stress is going out. Once again, inhale. Exhale. Now the last one. Inhale. Hold it there. Now exhale. Now relax. Now you can open your eyes. This is the basic method when you are just coming back to your normal self. Now we'll be doing the Anulom Vilom, which helps you balance your breath inside. So what we do in Anulom Vilom is you take your thumb, you put it on your right nostril. I'm just demonstrating right now, so you can look at me and then we can start with it. So take your thumb, put on your right nostril, inhale from your left nostril, take your fingers, close your left nostril, then exhale from the right nostril. Now you have to inhale again from the right nostril without removing your hands. Inhale from your right nostril, close it with your thumb, exhale from your left nostril. This is one set. So what we have to do is we have to put our thumb on the right, inhale from the left, then close the left, exhale from the right. When you're exhaling from the right, you have to inhale again from the right, close it, then exhale from the left. That is one set. We'll be doing 5 of these sets. So everybody's okay? Shall we start with this thing? Okay. What you have to do is put your left thumb. First of all, just make sure all of the oxygen, you're just out of all of the air that is inside you. So just empty your lungs so you can do a better Anulom Vilom for that matter. Now start. Take your thumb, put it on your right nostril. Inhale from your left nostril as much as you can. Hold. Close your left nostril. Exhale from your right nostril. Hold. Now inhale from your right nostril. Close. Exhale. Now, one thing that you have to literally focus on is if you're taking, say, 10 seconds to inhale, try to exhale in 20 seconds. That means as fast as you are inhaling, you have to be very slow when you are exhaling. So let's get it done again. Right thumb on your right nostril. Inhale from your left. Hold. Close it with your right hand. Now exhale from your right nostril. Hold. Inhale from your right nostril. Close. Exhale. Inhale. Close. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now one last time. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Take a deep breath. Now open your eyes. Now just, it doesn't get included in the pranayam, but you can shrug your shoulders a little bit to release the energy blocks from your back. So you get a little bit more relaxation in your upper head and your back. A little bit of neck twists. So this was our first pranayam. This has you might would have got a very stress-free kind of a feeling in your forehead. So this is how we start the pranayams with our Anulom and Vilom. This particular pranayam is very much beneficial whether you are suffering from BP or any kind of other lung diseases or the sinus diseases if you have any. Basically, it helps you normalize your entire body and lets your organs function in a very better manner. So Anulom Vilom, without doubt, you can do anytime whenever you want to. Just make sure that you are doing it on an empty stomach. And second thing, empty stomach, that doesn't mean that you didn't even have water or something. You can have water if you're not feeling very much energetic. You can have a little bit of tea, but make sure that the things that you are having are in liquid format, not in solid form, and in a very less quantity, not very large quantity. Other than that, do it on an empty stomach. In case if you had your lunch or if you have had any of your meals, then do it after 4 to 5 hours from your meal. You can do it in your mornings, you can do it in your evenings, whenever you want to feel a little bit relaxed, or whenever you're like feeling a little bit stressed or having some kind of anxiety, then you can perform Anulom Vilom and you can see the immediate results out of that. Now, the next thing that we're doing is Bhramari Pranayam. What happens in Bhramari Pranayam is that we will be emitting out the Om sound, but we won't be emitting it from our mouth. We will be just humming it. So it will be mostly your throat from where your the voice will be coming. What you have to do for the Bhramari Pranayam is that you have to take your thumbs, you have to place them on the ear so that you're closing your ears. So this is the part that stays out. I am putting my thumb in this. So I'm basically closing my ears Then you have to take your fingers and you have to put them on your eyes. Am I clear with this? Yes, exactly. So you have to put your thumbs on your ears, take your hands on your eyes. Now take a deep breath in, and then you have to emit the sound of Om. So I'll just demonstrate it for you once, and then we can get started with this kind of pranayam. So what I'm doing is putting my thumb on my ears, putting my hands on my eyes. Whenever you're putting your hands in your eyes, just imagine that you are safe, you are calm, and everything around you is in harmony with the nature. The sole of your feet should be touching the ground, or if you're cross-legged on your yoga mat, then make sure that you are in a proper grounding position so that all of the vibrations that you are basically doing are in harmony with the nature earth. Let's get started. I'm demonstrating it for you. On my ears, on my eyes, deep breath in, and then I'll be emitting the Om sound without using my mouth, just using my throat. Mm. 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 I hope I was clear. Was I clear? So make sure that whenever you're doing this, there is a possibility that you won't be able to do it for the first few times because of the oxygen levels in your body. So it is okay if you're not able to continue it. If you break in between, if you're feeling like you're shaking from the inside, or if there is some palpitating feeling inside, it is completely fine. It happens. So let's start with this thing again. The first time we are doing it, on our ears, on our eyes, deep breath in, and then the Om sound. Yeah, it'll be okay if you guys turn on your audio for this thing so I can listen whether you're doing it right.